A patio can be a great place to relax and enjoy the outdoor living spaces of your home, but it can also be an eyesore. If your patio is old, cracked, or just plain ugly, you may be considering replacing it. However, a replacement can be expensive and time-consuming. A better option may be to install patio pavers. Pavers are a type of stone or concrete that can be used to create a durable and attractive surface for your patio and even your pool decks. They are easy to install and come in a variety of colors and styles. Pavers can also be used to create patterns or designs, which can add interest to your remodeling. When it comes to choosing a paver contractor in Spokane, there are a few things you should take into consideration. Here are a few reasons why you should choose a Spokane paver contractor. First and foremost, we are a paver installation company that has the experience and a good reputation. We offer a paver patio, concrete paver, paver walkways, and paver driveway. We work with all types of pavers such as brick paver patios. We are open to any kind of stone you want to work on. Get your estimates today.